Hi there, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's today, Saturday, November the 19th, 2022. No, it's the edition of yesterday, Friday, November the 18th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. The Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes, it's a Suguru. And this one will be number 5508. 5508. Alright, 5508. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18 should be an easy one. Yes, it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, we'll see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? We are looking for the single box or boxes. Yes, the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Yeah, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Yeah, well, here another one. Need more information, so let me mark those again. Next question, do we have triple boxes here? Triple boxes. Where are you? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, here we have an L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope, only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's the 1082. Alright, 1082. Alright, here another one. This box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. Oh, I overlooked this L shape. Yeah, we have another L shape. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, rotated. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 5 can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And this box is also connected with this box, should be also 4. And that box is connected with this box, should be also 4. Here another connection. Same number, the 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 5. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also 1 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1. And is connected with that box. Should be also 1. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then. Now we have a 1 here. I have here a dual box with a 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have in the same area. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, it should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Let me see. We go down here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Sunday we have no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in the Thursday edition, and also the quintuplet, a.k.a. Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.